So we're rolling around here through Hammonasset State Park, and we're going to be heading over to Megs Point. Meow. Yeah, we definitely got a headwind. That's fine with me. I'll take a tailwind going home every day of the week. Beautiful morning for a ride. Hey, so yeah, here we are at Hammonasset State Park, and the timing couldn't have been better in terms of the battery. It just quit on me just as I rolled up here, so I did have to cut out and change the battery. But we're walking now over toward the water, and I've come out this direction a couple times with my bike. Hammonasset State Park, Madison, Connecticut. This is Long Island Sound. And this is what, April 17th, 18th? Beautiful day to be out here. I'm going to actually take a walk up this pathway here. It leads up to a higher elevation. I think I can probably walk and talk at the same time. Beautiful day to be out here. Nice area. A little history. Yeah, so a nice area, as you can plainly see. Maybe you can tell from that woman over there that it's a cool day. She's got her winter coat on. Okay, I'm going to cut it off here and get back on the bike and head home. Beautiful day. Thanks for coming along. So that was interesting. That was a nice little stop. Tried to shoot a little video up there at Megs Point. Came across some fat guy sitting out there sunbathing himself. I think there ought to be a law against that sort of thing, but it's what we call visual pollution. Well, that was smart on my part. Taking a little nature break. Yeah. So, we're having a great morning ride, that's for sure. We're running through Hammonasset State Park here in Madison, Connecticut this morning. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Must be very close to noontime at this point. Just enjoying the day. Not a whole lot of conversation going on here this morning. I think I've mentioned a few times already, and I just don't want to repeat myself, but I was talking about coaching Susan. She's brand new to road biking and just bought her first road bike this year. Got herself a very nice Specialized Dolce, and she's been getting used to some of the features of the bike and the feel of it, and getting a little workout in place by riding on an indoor trainer. We have a smart trainer that we bought at the end of the season in place of a magnetic trainer, and making all the difference in terms of the riding experience on Zwift. But she was getting in some workouts and doing very well. And we were fortunate to have been able to get out on the road a couple times already this year. She's logged maybe, you can think about 50, maybe 60 miles so far. We've gone out on 2 road trips. One just about 20 miles, I think, and the other one just a shade under 25. And both times she's doing remarkably well. Today's ride, I'm out by myself, as you can tell, and just enjoying it.